I love every single thing that I have seen on this house itself. And it is a 3-car garage.
It is a 3-car garage.
Which is kind of unusual in this neighborhood to have a 3-car garage, so we do have that. And because we have it, the driveway is a little tight, so we put in the turntable to actually turn the car around so that you can easily and conveniently pull into the driveway, turn your car around, and pull right out.
That's great. How many people do you guys have on your team?
There are 7 of us on our team that's in the field, and Vanessa is in the office, everywhere else in between.
So it's come from family generation. How many of your family members is working with you guys these days?
So I have 6 sons that work for me, and those are all of our employees. So we've been in business here in Austin, Texas for 11 years. As an investor, probably the last 7 years. Prior to that, I was just building, contracting, and doing the jobs that we do as a builder. And we are all hands on deck when it comes to trim, carpentry, everything related to the wood we do.
The youngest that works with us full-time is 18. So they're out of school and they're, this is their livelihood and their future.
It's not an easy job, but I think it's exciting and it's fun. I love it. But how do you guys work together as a team?
I think for us, for Mike and I working together, a lot of years of communicating, of finding our roles and picking responsibilities and not crossing over those roles crossing those roles as little as possible. It just helps us have things run smoothly and we take care of the things that our role is to take care of. And constant communication.
Why did you guys decide to become an investor?
And we wanted to have people that we can work with locally and build a network here in Austin and have people that knew how Austin worked.